Hi, in front of me is Motorola Moto G9 Power, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Firstly, open Play Store. Then type Magic Fluids and download this app from this developer. Open it, click Got it and tap at the bottom right corner. Choose Settings, click I accept and customize your wallpaper however you want. When you're done, click at the top right corner and bottom right corner again. Choose Set as Live Wallpaper, Set Wallpaper and pick one of the options if you want to apply it on home screen or home screen and lock screen. Now when I go back, I can see that my wallpaper has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!